JDCap26 here, do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And I just want to show you something here. Sure, you're looking at a printer, but you think this printer is new? No, it is not. It's actually an old printer, and it was very, very dusty. See the creases in there? Get close in there. Very dusty printer. I mean, this thing looked almost white. Well, you want to know what you use to clean a printer? You just go to Stop and Shop or get generic disinfectant wipes and wipe it down. You won't believe how clean it gets. Well, there it is right there. And also, it'll pick up the ink. If there's any ink spills on your hands or on the printer itself, it'll clean up the ink as well. So get yourself some disinfectant wipes to clean up your printer, and turn the printer off when you wipe it down. And if you get close to the key, like the keys, get any in the keys, try not to. But let the printer dry for a couple hours so you don't have any reaction in the keys. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. I will see you in my next video. And take care. Please rate and subscribe too. Give me the thumbs up if you can.